Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? This is an emergency update for all Digibyte holder, my friend, because Digibyte is completely fails down in the current time, my friend. You can see, especially from last 24 hour, they fails down, and the current time is also they fails down. So what's in the future? Can there is a chance today he will hit, my friends, just in only half USD dollar or not? Everything I discuss you, my brother, about Digibyte. Kindly holders, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel before I get started this video. Kindly, and a lot of holders tell us to I cannot understand your language, so therefore I clearly, my friends, slow tell you in this video everything. So kindly, thank you so much for everyone to you also support me, and if you have any more problem, then absolutely tell us in a comment box. So this time, my brother, if you can see here, the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, completely on the screen. This is the latest chart you can see here of last 24 hour, my friend. If you could see here, this time the Digibyte is completely changed occur, will be very small, but absolutely end up is going to be positive. So this is very good and very good news for all of you, my brother, because the all capital is completely dumped, my friend, and fails down very fastly. So therefore I am so excited, I am so happy to Digibyte is one of the unicorn, my friend, this time in the crypto market. Today just in only moving upward. So therefore I am very happy, my brother, because Digibyte is just in only take a small did take a small jump, but absolutely change occur will be positive. So I am very happy. If you can see here, the price 0.105698 USD dollar. I hope they will hit half USD dollar just in only in August. Absolutely, if they're moving upward in upcoming time. So let's see, my brother. This is absolutely possible, my friends, to upcoming time they're moving upward, because after a long time, my brother, and absolutely this is the end of month, so therefore there is more chance to Digibyte is moving upward. So yes, exactly, I'm right. If you can see, my friends, Digibyte completely moving upward, 0.27% just in only in the last 24-hour change occur will be positive. After a very long time, you can see they fails down, but after this you can see they again starting moving upward. So it's mean to in the current in the condition, my friend, this time is going to be very bad, but absolutely, my friend, after my friend, especially the last 24-hour, they absolutely moving upward very fastly. So this is very good, and this is all depend on the holder. If you are a holder, then exactly the price will be changed occur into positive. So kindly you need to hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they will give you very good profit. Thanks for watching, Digibyte holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and press the bell icon and select the all option for videos notification.